back. Good to see all of you again. And normally I do a keto video or a nail video or a Fashion Friday video, but today's a little bit different. I am supposed to be doing a live, but I don't have internet yet, so I'm sorry about that. I'm hoping by next week I will have internet. But I just happened to get a housewarming gift from a good friend of mine who watches me here on YouTube. It is Jennifer. I don't know how to say her last name. I think it's Krzewinski or Krzewinski. It's Jennifer K, okay? That's what she says. She goes by Jennifer K because it's very hard to say her last name. But anyways, she has been watching me for over 2 years. We are also friends personally. We do talk on the telephone. We do texts and everything. So she's very close to me, very dear to me. I'm making her a keto t-shirt. And she decided to send my husband and I a housewarming gift. And I'd like to do the unboxing right here on my channel with all of you. And for her to see my face, Jennifer, I'd like to, you to see me unbox this and I get to see the gift. I have been busy all day working at my brother, so I'm sorry if I look like crap. My brother Rob is also moving. He is in the middle of a move, and he's getting ready to move here very soon. So, yeah, I've been over there helping him get a lot of packing done after I just got done, 25 days over here unpacking, moving, and all of that. Now I've been helping him. So I'm just exhausted tonight. But I came home to a box in front of my door. I knew that something was coming for me. She said it's just a housewarming gift for you and your husband. So thank you, sweetheart. Beforehand, I have not even opened it yet. But I did untape it and everything. I promise you from the bottom of my heart, on my son's life, I have not seen what's in it. But look at this, you guys. Look at how big this box is. Okay, and hopefully all the names are covered here. Hopefully you didn't, I don't think you would have seen that because it is, yeah, you can't see it. Okay, but anyways, this box is huge. This was in front of my door. I couldn't believe it when I got to it. But yes, Jennifer, it is all, untaped and everything, but I have not opened it. I promise you from the bottom of my heart. This is a surprise for me. I just wanted to have it open because it's just such a hassle when you're on film trying to open something, try to untape it. And it was pretty taped, so did a good job there. All right, let's go ahead and look at what Jennifer K sent my husband and I for a housewarming gift. All right, we'll turn it this way. That way you don't see what's in it. All right, let's see here. Uh-oh. Ooh, she listened to what I said about my bathroom, that I'm doing it in grays and pinks, and it looks like, well, there's a card here for me. I don't know if this is something personal, but it does say Angel and Phelan, happy new home. So I'm sure there's a card in here and stuff like that. I will read it. If it's not too personal, then I'll read it on here for you guys. But she got us a bath set, beautiful gray and white. Love it, absolutely love it. Gonna look great in the new bathroom since I don't have a set yet. Oh, they're nice too. Very, very nice set here. All right, and then another bath towel. So I guess my husband and I get our own. We don't have to share, thank you, because I didn't really want to share. I share the shower with him. That's enough, right? I don't need to share the towel with him too. So she got us 2 bath towels. Thank you. And then she got us some hand towels. Oh, good. Now we both have our own hand towels, too. I was thinking, one hand towel, we'd have to share the hand towel, but we won't have to. Hey, I might be able to use mine for an actual towel. I've lost enough weight that I probably could wrap this around me, everyone, because I'm down to 128 pounds. So this will be my towel, and then his will be this one because he's not doing keto, and he's gained some weight. So he gets the great big giant one. Yep. And I'll use this one as a towel. This is plenty big enough for me. But I got 2 hand towels here. Thank you so much. Gonna look great in that bathroom. And I got, ooh, Jennifer. I needed a rug. I think you saw that I only had that little tiny one over by the bathtub. That one is a mat for when you get out of the bath. I hate when I get out and I usually have to put a towel down if I don't have a rug there. When I was over at my brother's for a year, he did have a giant rug, but his dog, one of his dogs that he had was a puppy, actually pooped on that rug really bad. not to say too much information, but anyways, yes, did his thing on that rug, and it was just like diarrhea, and we couldn't get it out of the rug. It was a giant rug, so every time I got out, my feet were freezing, so I'd always put a towel down. So of course, I made sure here when we moved in something, my husband said, we got to get you something right away because I know you hate stepping out of the bath without something. So she got me a nice big rug that I will put right under my sink. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful, you guys? Oh, Jennifer, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I love it because, like I said, that's the only room that I have not yet got to put everything in because, you know, with all the expenses of moving and the expenses of just, you know, the things you need when you first moved in, we didn't have a microwave. We had to buy a microwave and a couple of things. It does get pretty spendy. Of course, when you first move in, you got to pay first and last month rent and then your rent itself. And yeah, it gets very spendy. So we haven't been able to do that bathroom yet, but I am going to be finishing that up with adding some pink with this, all this gray you got me, and making our bathroom pink and gray. I want to go with like dolphins. So, and then there's a couple more things in here. Let's see. What is it? Oh, it's a t-shirt. Oh, how cool. Oh my gosh, awesome. Who dat? 504, who dat? Oh, is that ever cute? The Saints. Oh my gosh, awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And I imagine that one is, let's see. Oh, she wrote the names on them. Okay. New Orleans Saints. Because that is where Jennifer is from. New Orleans, if I'm not mistaken. I hope I'm not mistaken. And here's Phelan's. There's his shirt, New Orleans. He is gonna love this, Jennifer. He needs t-shirts bad, and he's a huge sports fan. We all know that he is a Vikings fan, but he does have his certain teams that he still really loves and watches every sports team. So he's gonna absolutely love this. And you, let's see, let's make sure you got him the right size. Let's see, I don't see the size on it. It looks plenty big. Oh, yes, this is plenty big enough. Awesome. He is going to love this. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Wow, that was so nice of you. Yep, it says Angel on that one. Okay. Awesome, awesome. Look at these shirts. Love them. Awesome. These are adorable. We get to wear where you live. I'm going to have to send you some Minnesota shirts, right? But anyways, there's mine, and I love the back. It says Who Dat? 204 Who Dat. Love that. Absolutely love that. I'm sure my husband, I am unsure who this is, which player this is. I'm sure it's a certain player. I do watch sports. Believe me, I do watch it with my husband, but I don't follow as much as he does. I do love the Vikings. I do follow the Vikings, but I couldn't even name all the Viking players either. So I'm sure this is a certain player. My husband's going to know exactly who this is. If I'm not mistaken, I think it is a certain player. So, but anyways, Jennifer, thank you so much. Oh, let's check out the card. And if it's not too personal, I'll go ahead and I will read it to you guys. So, with a little wish for you. Oh my goodness. Oh, a little guidance. An angel to lead you and guide you each step of the way. She'll watch over and guide you each night and each day. A wish from you. Now, that one kind of teared me up. Thank you very much. That's really sweet. Really, really sweet. Couldn't resist this little angel bracelet from my sweet, encouraging angel. Thank you. I didn't think that this would be a video that I would get teared up in, but that was really, really sweet. Isn't this nice, you guys? Look at that. I love anything to do with angels. I do. It's funny how my name is Angel. When I was born, my mom wanted a daughter named Angel. She thought Angel was a nickname, so she did throw an A at the end, but always called me Angel. And had she known back in the 70s that Angel was not a nickname, I would have fully been Angel. But Angela is the name, but I've never, ever went by that name. It's always been Angel, and I would love to legally change it to Angel. But yeah, I love anything to do with angels. They mean a lot to me since, you know, my father's passed, my grandmother, my grandfather, people that I love dearly have passed. They are my angels, and I love this, and I love that also, you know, my name is Angel. So thank you. Thank you for tearing me up too. But I love this so much. This is absolutely beautiful. I will wear this with I will wear this and cherish it. I will so much. Thank you so much for this. That is so sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Didn't know I was going to tear up, girl. Jennifer and I are very close. She's very, very sweet. Like I said, she's been following me for, for quite some time, for over 2 years. And she said that I'm such an inspiration to her. But all of you are an inspiration to me too, because of all of you is why I stick to this journey and why I do it, because I don't want to fail any of you guys. And I want you guys to know that it's not easy to do what a person does, to keep, to lose all the weight and then to keep all the weight off. But my encouragement is when I come in here and I teach all of you, and knowing that I can help so many of you get your life back, have your life like I do now. And I'm going to be going over that video, that 4-year video of keto for November 4th of 2015 is when I started. Coming up here November 4th will be my 4-year on keto, my journey. I lost the weight in 15 months, 150 plus pounds. And then I, maintenance out for about a year, and then I lost a little bit more, almost 20 more. So I'm at like almost 170 pound loss, and I've been able to maintain that for quite some time. And you guys all see me on here, so you know. But you guys are my inspiration too, and you are the reason, I keep fighting for this, and I'll never stop, and I will always keep my weight off. So I just want all of you guys to know that. And Jennifer, you are an inspiration to me as well. She got all of her weight off, maybe an exception of a few pounds. I think she still wants to lose, but I know you can do it, girl, and you'll definitely get it out. But you look wonderful. She was one that was actually in one of my slideshows I had in my intro ways back. Okay. Oh, it's an angel card too, and she said, the card says dare to believe. And it says, this angel on the front looks just like you. I love her jewelry, hair, and shoes. Oh, that's sweet. Miss Fashion Queen here. I love my fashion, so that's really sweet. Maybe that's what my wings will look like one day when I'm not here anymore. Maybe I will be like a fairy because I am much into fashion. It says, with a friend by your side, anything is possible. So glad we have each other. Yes, I am so glad to have you in my life, along with Monica and Veronica and Evie. And there's just so many of you. I want to name you all, and I just can't off the top of my head right now, but there's so many of you. Ruthie and Carmen, and there's just so many of you. I could just keep going and going. I love you all. You guys mean so much to me. It says, Angel, from the day I found your channel, okay, you're going to make me cry again. From the day I found your channel, I have admired your passion for keto and always strive to be as strong as you. If I am having a bad day, your videos lift my spirits and give me inspiration to get back on track. I'm so lucky that we became friends through this journey. I sure do hope we can meet in person one day. Love you, sweetheart, Jennifer. Keto Power, Keto AF. Yes, that is absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. Such nice words that you had wrote. I am glad that I can be an inspiration to you, Jennifer. You are an inspiration to me too. I, see what you do. And like I said, all of you guys are my inspiration as well. And we definitely will meet one day. I can guarantee that. My husband has fulfilled a couple of dreams for me. I have met a few people, and he promised me that I would meet you, that I would meet my good friend Stacy. She is another one that I love and adore. She doesn't do keto, but she is my best buddy in the whole world, my sister, my rock. She has gotten me through so many things, and I do plan to meet her one day too, very soon here, hopefully by the springtime. And my good friend Monica, I plan to meet her, and so I know my husband will fulfill these dreams for me. We just gotta, get some more money together now that we're moved and everything, but it will happen. I promise you that, Jennifer. And my husband would love to come out to where you live. I know he would. So, but anyways, or maybe you could even come to Minnesota here and meet me here. So that would be great somehow, some way. But thank you very, very much for all of the wonderful gifts. Thank you so much. I love them. They're going to look great in my bathroom. I will do a little, clip of that after everything's in there. And I've got all my pink stuff with it and the dolphins and all that. I'll definitely put everything out and let you guys see. I do, because I did say that I would do another tour of the bathroom after it was all together. But Jennifer, what a nice gift. So nice, because I didn't have any of that stuff, and it's beautiful, and I love it. And you listened real well that I want it to be gray and pink. So you got all my gray stuff, and I love the t-shirts. Phelan's going to love them as well. And I love you. Always stay positive, girl. Never ever give up. Never lose hope. Never lose faith. You know, the strength comes within. Believe that. You know, it really does. It comes within you. No matter what I can say or what I can do for you or what you see or what you hear, the person that keeps, you know, it's you that's actually doing it though. So pat yourself on your back, because you know what? I can give all the encouraging words that I can give, but it takes the inner strength of the person that's doing it to keep that weight off. And it takes God on your side as well, walking every step of the way with you. So thank you for telling me that I'm the inspiration that keeps you going. But you know what? Pat yourself on your back, because you're the one that's been strong enough to keep that weight off. So thank yourself too. Look in that mirror and tell yourself you're one strong cookie. But that's a keto cookie. I love you very much, Jennifer, and I love all of you guys very much. Thank you so much for this housewarming gift, sweetheart. If I can do anything for you, let me know. I am going to get that keto t-shirt out to you right away. You're going to love what I did to it. But I love all of you guys very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it wasn't too long. I know that I'm saying that, and Jennifer had said, is somebody bothering me about long videos? No, but I just think that maybe people, probably think I don't have all day to watch you, because my videos sometimes can be kind of long. Even just an unboxing, I made it so long. But anyways, no, everybody loves my videos. They never complain. Thank you for that. And thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate it, and I appreciate all of you. And hopefully next week I'll be back to my live, videos on Sunday. Hopefully we'll have that internet in here, and I'll be able to do my lives on Sunday. So other than that, you guys enjoyed this video, this unboxing. Jennifer, thank you again. I love you, sweetheart, so much, and I can't wait to see each and every one of you in my very next upload. Everybody take care, and God bless. Thanks, Jennifer.